Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we are making a pork loin with cherry cranberry balsamic vinegar reduction, and we're probably going to have this for Christmas, but let's get started right now. So I have some butter melting in the pan here, and I'm going to add these red onions for flavor. Saute them off a bit. Separate them as much as you can, because they cook better when they're separated. There we go. Okay, these have started to brown. They started to turn translucent. And lower the heat a little bit. There comes the fun part. We're going to add the cranberries. Now, these are fresh cranberries, as you can see, and this is going to be fun because they're going to pop. Stick them in there, and when they've all popped, we'll come back. Okay, so the cranberries are all nicely broken down. We put the top on it and let them steam a little bit. With the onions, it smells absolutely amazing in here. And now we're going to add the cherries. And we're going to add some red wine. All right. I'm going to put the top on that and put it on low and come back in about. Okay, and we're back. The pork loin is nice and done. And I have already added some avocado oil to this pan, and as you can see, it's getting ready to, it's smoking. Now, when you put something in sous vide, it comes out looking kind of nasty, so that's very, very hot. Probably is by now. Yes. The wonders of sous vide. You get a perfectly cooked piece of meat that's not overdone. Wonderful thing, wonderful thing. Okay, now we're going to take this and we're going to set it aside because we are now going to make the sauce that we started earlier, and I'm going to reduce the heat on that, and I'm going to add, look at that, look how nice that turned out. And there's a little bit of, I'm going to remove this from here. You can see there's a little bit of fond on there. And we're going to take a little bit of balsamic vinegar and add it to this. Not too much. About 2 tablespoons. And scrape off the sponge because it's really tasty. There we go. Now, this one. We got that lovely pond up. See, we're still getting up the beautiful pond. It's on very low. Taste it, and you have to taste it and see if it needs anything. Yes, it needs some sugar. It needs a little bit of sugar, not too much. Just put about a teaspoonful of sugar. You know, a spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down. And taste makes your sauce taste really good too. There we go. One more taste. That's perfect. And add butter. That butter melts and get beautiful in that sauce. And now that that sauce is really beautiful, I'm going to add meat back in, get it nicely coated on all sides. Take these beautiful cherries, cranberries, and put them on top. Wish you could be here to smell this. This smells amazing. And I'm going to put this on a serving platter, and we will see you in the dining room in a few minutes. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. And here we are at the dinner table. Here's our beautiful pork with cranberries and cherries and red onions, cooked to perfection. And we just want to say thank you for everything, all year, and from us to you, a very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas! See you next time. See you next year on The Good Plate.